This video is about getting rid of rednews.me pop-up windows. These pop-ups are presented as some video file that you are supposed to watch. It looks pretty similar to the YouTube video, but the pop-up says that you need to click on Allow to watch the video. Of course, when you watch the video officially through YouTube channel, you don't need to click on any buttons. And this particular pop-up by rednews.me tries to force you into subscribing to uncontrolled web push notifications. If you mistakenly click on that allow button, this very moment your browser will be hijacked and infected. So do not click on allow. This is dangerous and your browser will start delivering a lot of unwanted ads after that is done. To fix the issue, I would recommend go to the menu, click on Settings, then choose Site Settings and Notifications. Now you need to check the Allow area carefully. You will find this rednews.me site, click on this button and remove it from the list. Also, I would recommend that you double check your Mac and its safety with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. As soon as the software is downloaded and installed, you will need to wait until it updates the antivirus database and then click on Start Combo Scan. After that, the free scanning of your Mac computer will begin, but remember that initially the program is in the trial mode. However, it also has got some free features such as Disk Cleaner, Big Files and Duplicates Finder. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.